If you use SketchUp, one of the fastest ways to build out your scene is by downloading ready-made models from 3D Warehouse. Instead of modeling every chair, tree, fixture, or accessory from scratch, you can grab high-quality assets in just a few clicks and drop them straight into your project. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download models from SketchUp 3D Warehouse, the easiest way to find what you need, and how to place it directly into your workspace. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more SketchUp tips and workflows. Alright, let's jump in. The recommended method is to download models directly inside SketchUp because this keeps the whole process simple and fast. First, open SketchUp and go to the top menu bar, click Window, then choose 3D Warehouse. This opens the built-in library where millions of SketchUp users share models for free. Once the 3D Warehouse window appears, use the search bar at the top to type in whatever you're looking for. For example, you could search for something like Eames chair, oak tree, sofa, lamp, table, or even specific hardware pieces, depending on your project. As you browse the results, take a moment to choose carefully. Not every model is created equally, so click on the thumbnail of any model that looks useful. This opens the model's details page, where you can check important information before downloading. Two things to pay attention to are the file size and the polygon count. These details matter because very large models can slow down your computer, especially if your project already has a lot of geometry. In general, the lighter the model, the better it is for performance, unless you specifically need a highly detailed asset. Once you've found the right model, click the blue download button. SketchUp will usually show a confirmation prompt asking if you want to load the model directly into your SketchUp file. When that message appears, click Yes. This is the key step that sends the model into your active workspace instead of just saving it somewhere on your computer. After that, the model will attach to your cursor and you can move your mouse around your drawing area to position it exactly where you want it. When you're happy with the location, click anywhere in the workspace to place the model. You can then use SketchUp's Move, Rotate, and Scale tools if you need to adjust the object further to fit your scene. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and inserted a model from 3D Warehouse directly into SketchUp. A quick tip before you download, always think about model quality and performance. If you're working on a large design file, try to avoid extremely heavy assets unless you really need them. Lightweight models usually keep SketchUp running smoother and make your workflow much easier. Also, make sure the model matches the style and scale of your project so you don't waste time editing it later. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more SketchUp tutorials, 3D modeling tips, and beginner-friendly workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.